Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Skyro app. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a lending app or a loan app that helps you or gives you money for a loan. So as you can see, it is mainly focused here on the Philippines or in Asia. However, they claim to be more famous here in the Philippines. However, I haven't heard of this company yet since there are a lot more legit or trusted apps for lending. So if you're wondering if this is really legit, as you can see, from the reviews here, there are a lot of one-star reviews from the reviews here. As you can see, took me FaceTime. I do more than 10 times, still not working, useless. Applied 7 IDs and I get loans but when went to the store, I was rejected. I recently applied 7 message, blah blah. Since I have no commitment loan app, should allow me to delete my files. So there are a lot of problems with this app since a lot of people rating it 1 star. And I found this post here on Reddit, which is in Filipino. However, I will translate it to English. Basically, what this person said is that there's a big interest when loaning from Skyro. It's almost double, and like almost 30% of what you loaned, that will be the interest. So if you want a loan, maybe you should try loaning from other people or not from other apps, not this one, since they charge you a very big interest when loaning from them. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.